Think you are eating healthy? What if I told you that some of the foods marketed as healthy might actually be harming your body? From adding sugars to misleading labels. I'm breaking down 5 so-called healthy food that could be wrecking your metabolism, gut health, and energy levels. Stick around because number 1 is something almost everyone eats daily. We have all been told that yogurt is great for gut health, right? Well, not so fast. While plain Greek yogurt is rich in probiotics and protein, most flavored yogurts are loaded with adding sugars, artificial flavors, and unhealthy additives. Some brands contain up to 25 grams of sugar per serving. That's almost the same as a candy bar. Healthy food number 4, granola. Granola bars are marketed as the ultimate on-the-go healthy snack. But here's the truth. They are often packed with sugar, hydrogenated oils, and preservatives. Some even contain as much sugar as a scoop of ice cream. Healthy food number 3, veggie chips. Veggie chips might sound like a great alternative to regular potato chips, but don't be fooled. Most brands are deep fried, packed with starches, and contain barely any real vegetables. In fact, many veggie chips are made from potato starch or corn flour, with just a little vegetable powder for color. Healthy food number 2, whole wheat bread. We might think whole wheat is healthy alternative to white bread, but here's the truth. Most whole wheat breads are just as processed as white bread. Many contain preservatives, added sugar, and refined grains that can spike blood sugar and lead to weight gain. Healthy food number 1, diet and low-fat products. Last but definitely not least, beware of diet and low-fat products. When companies remove fat from food, they often replace it with artificial sweeteners, preservatives, and added sugar to bring back the flavor. These additives can mess with your metabolism and hormones. Remember, just because something is labeled low fat or healthy doesn't mean it's actually good for you. Always check the ingredients and focus on whole, natural foods rather than processed options. Healthy fats like those in avocados, nuts, and olive oil are actually essential for your body and can help with heart health, brain function, and energy levels. There you have it. 5 so-called healthy foods that might actually be harming your body. Were you surprised by any of this? Let me know in the comments below. Remember to share, like, and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time on Everyday Health Savvy. Bye-bye.